Hey guys, it's Petra here from BakingComparadise.com, and this video is about how to make freebies to give away and build your email list fast. So this is not only for all of you who are building your email list, it's also for all of you who are not in email marketing, okay? Even though I would suggest you start doing that as soon as possible because you don't want to lose leads and lose sales. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make freebies. I'm actually gonna show you how to make an ebook. Okay, you can do so much more in Canva, which is what I'm using. So the links are gonna be below the video. So the link to Canva is gonna be below this video if you're watching it on YouTube. But if you're watching it in my free Facebook group, then the links are gonna be above the video. And by the way, if you want to be a part of my group, the link is going to be below the video. Okay, so let's start. This is Canva. It's free. You can pay for it, but there's so much in free version that you don't need to. Okay, so you can check it all out. You can see that you can make pictures for Facebook posts, for Instagram posts, for so much more. Okay, you can even make presentations in this program. So what I actually used for my previous ebook that I made, which the title is Your First Four-Figure Month, and the link is down below so that you can check it out and you can learn from it. Okay, so it's a win-win situation. So I used this, okay, so book cover. So click here, wait so that it opens up, and then you can start making your book cover. Okay, you have layouts here, so let's say you want to use this one. Okay, write your name, last name, the title of the book, and you can even write your, if you have a blog, you can even write the URL to your blog. And there's another really awesome thing is that you can link it. Okay, so you can put the URL here, click apply, and when people get your book and if they click here, they're actually gonna end up on your blog, right? So you are driving traffic from your ebook to your blog or to the product that you sell. Okay, but before you start tagging all of the products that you sell, I would suggest you first do your ebook. First parts of the ebook should be full of value. So always over deliver with value. Okay, so if you're in weight loss niche, I don't know why I always say weight loss niche and I give you this example, but if you're in weight loss niche, start talking about how to lose weight, so what to eat. Even you can even put in some recipes, healthy recipes, why water is good, and blah blah blah, right? So then what you can do, I'm gonna show you something. Okay, let's delete this. You can actually do this. Let's pretend this is you. Okay, this is you a couple of years ago when you were overweight, let's say. Okay, so then you put another picture of you right now and you lost a lot of weight, right? And then you write your story. So on the left picture, I was overweight, I had a lot of health issues, blah blah blah, my knees hurt, blah blah blah, right? So then I started exercising and I started eating healthy and drinking a lot of water and blah blah blah. You give them a lot more value, right? How you did it. And then you tell them, so because I wanted to have faster and better results, I started, researching the internet and I found this product. So when you say, let's say you said here, I found this product, you can actually link it to the product that you sell. Okay, but please don't be too salesy. Don't, sell everything in the ebook. Don't go overboard. Always give them a free option and a paid option. Okay, why? Because people will love you more. Some people don't want to invest any money at the moment, right? Because they don't like you that much, they don't trust you that much, so they want to see more from you. Okay, so when you give them the ebook, now this is why I want you to start making email marketing, to start with email marketing, because when you give them the ebook, they will get it through email. And you can then send them your emails with more free recipes, special workouts and stuff like that. And then after 7 days, you know, because people have to see your offer 7 times, so let's say in 7 days, because they get used to you, they see that you're always giving value. After 7 days, you can offer them, look, I have this product, it helped me lose a lot of weight, blah blah blah. You write about your story, because you know that stories sell. And then you tell them, if there's a 40% off of that product, it's really awesome to do that. And tell them, hey, you know, right now it's 40% off, you can get it here. So more people would buy it if you do everything right, okay? If you're just too salesy, trust me, you're just gonna lose people. And that's it. No one's gonna open your emails, no one's gonna trust you. So, you know, you should always over deliver with value. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and write me a comment below what you loved about this, what you learned about this. And yeah, if you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do that. I really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and cheers to your success.